Welcome to Allergy Friendly Cooking, where food, family, and all things allergy related is here. Food is an essential part of life, and yet some of us have allergies to foods, ingredients, and additives. Grab my personal cookbook for wholesome inspiration and recipes. Plus, take control of your health with my food nutritional app to know what's in your food, and Western Roots for inspiration, recipes, and affiliates for discounts and deals. Don't miss out. Subscribe and check out all the resources waiting for you below in the description. God bless, stay safe, and love y'all. Hi everyone. So tonight, it's all about sauces and gravies. So I will see y'all on the live tonight. But this is what I'm having. I cooked me some barley. There's some black eyed peas in there. I used some Dairy cheese sauce. The cheddar sea sauce. I put half the package in there. And this is still so nice and creamy and everything. And then I'm going to add my miso soup for my Chinese dinner the other night. And we're going to give this a nice big stir. Oh, that looks so good. It's raining. It's kind of cool outside. Something nice and warm, stick to your ribs kind of meal. There we go. Alright, y'all ready for a taste test? It's hot. That is really good. I like that one. So y'all enjoy, and I'll see you later tonight. Also, I went and added some salt and pepper because I think that's all I needed, and then I topped it off with some walnuts. Now, one more time. We gotta taste. Now we gotta mix it all up. Get the salt and the pepper all mixed in there. Alright, here we go. That's even better. Later.